To show you some possibilities of elements for M-files, we created a demo with 4 components. One component is controlled documents, which are managed in M-files. Another are business processes that we've mapped in Elements.Cloud. Then we have supporting quality processes, and in the demo you can see a module for managing audits. And then we have compliance statements from ISO 9001. So we've combined all these components into a M-files vault, which you can access on q9demo.solutionmanagement.eu. So in the live demo, you can see a standard M-files web client, but it's been extended with a process application in the right pane. So here you can see the business process of this imaginary company. You can navigate down to a deeper level of the process. And you can also, if I go up back to the top level, you can look at these different attachments you see on this paperclip. And those are references to ISO, and there's also links to guiding documents. So if I click on this HR policy, I will download it, and then I can open it to read it. Now, you can also see these views here. So you can see process diagrams, guiding documents, ISO 9001 statements, and audits. So if I go into the process diagrams view, you can see this map that we just looked at, which has been published from Elements.Cloud. And I can also navigate it as M-files objects, and then I can see these different processes in the right pane. And now if we go back, you can see the guiding documents. And here we have some published versions, which I can see, since I'm an end user, I can see these PDF versions of guiding documents that have been improved and published from a workflow in M-files. Then we have these ISO statements, and you create them and collaborate around them in Elements, and then they are imported into M-files. So you can see here some of the requirements of ISO. If you put these object types together, you can create different modules for supporting a quality management system or other helpful things for the organization. So here we have this example of managing audits. So here you can see an overview of my audit campaigns. And if I drill down here, so you see that there are some planned, ongoing, and completed. I can go in here and I can see who's the campaign manager and that there are some audit events. And when I create an audit event, it can schedule these to happen at a certain time, and I can invite a certain person to be audited. And then I can also see what's being audited. And I can see that there are these process diagrams, there's this person, some ISO statements, and some guiding documents. So I can go down here and see, okay, which diagram is this about? I can also look over here, see the second one, and then I can see which specific documents are being audited. And in this case, it's a guideline, and then which ISO statement is related. So those are some of the possibilities we're showing in the live demo. So feel free to take a look, and feel free to contact us if you have any questions for further uses of Elements and M-files.